x minus 3 and minus. Oh, so who has joined? Hi, Rizwan. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum salam. Fine, alhamdulillah.
Okay, so I'm just taking Adil's revision class, not the revision, but the backup classes. Okay. Okay, so again, let's just wait for Talha, and then we will move forward. Right. So did you do your homework? Rizwan? Huh?
Which one, sir?
I gave 2 questions, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so you did those questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So as you can recall, I'm doing the graphical representation of these 2 questions, right? The problematic one, right? 3.1 exercise, you remember? So,
Yes, sir.
so x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0 and x minus 3y is equals to 6, right? So Adil, these are the 2 equations, right?
Yes.
Now what we do normally is that so first tell me that to draw a straight line, right? How many minimum number of points do you need to draw a straight line? Yes, right, 2. So right. So we will have to find 2 points from this equation, right, to draw the straight line, and 2 points from this equation to draw a straight line, right?
Yes.
So let us find the 2 points for this equation first. So what I do usually is that I first take x equals to 0 and then I take y equals to 0. So that will be 2 points, right? At x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, right?
Yes.
So let us take at x equals to 0. So at x equals to 0, this part is 0. So 0 minus 7y is equals to minus 42, right? So this cancels 7, 6 are 42. So y is what? 6, right? Right, Adil?
Yes.
So what will be the point? 0, 6. This is the point, right?
Yes.
And let's calculate at y equals to 0. So at y equals to 0, this part is 0. So x minus 0 is equals to minus 42, right? So x is equals to what? Minus 40, right?
Yes.
So what will be the point?
0.42.
Minus 42, 0. Because you always write like this, right? You always write your coordinate like this. So first x coordinate, then y coordinate, right?
Yes.
In graph, you always write this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and you write always x, y points, right? Na?
Yes.
So similarly, x and y. So y was 0, x is minus 42. So we have found 2 points for this equation, right? So let's just find for the this equation. Okay, so x minus 3y is equals to 6, right? So for at x equals to 0, right? This will be what? 0 minus 3y minus 6, right? So this will cancels. This will be what? 2. So y is equals to 2. So what will be the point?
0 for
0,
2.
2, right? 0, 2, right? And let's just calculate the second point. Okay, so this is going to be a problem, right? Here is one. So,
Yes, sir.
so y is 0. So x minus 0 is 6. So x is 6, right? So what will be the point, Sadil?
X 0.
Yes,
No,
x is
6 and 0.
yes, right. 6 and 0, right? So we have found 2 points for this line, right? So now the last thing remains that we have to draw it on the graph, right? So
Yes.
I will do a rough diagram for this. Okay, so what are the points? Let's just try it. So 0, 6 and minus 42, 0 for equation x minus what 7y. What was the equation? So x minus 7y, x minus 7y and equals to minus 40, right? And 0, 2 and 6, 0 for x minus 3y equals to 6, right? So, okay. So let's just draw the graph. Okay, so this is 42. This is
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am good. I am good. So I was just taking our a backup class for Adil, right? Okay, so
Okay.
Adil, also Talha and Rizwan, let me just draw the graph for this equation, and then we will start with the current.
No problem. You take your time. Take your time.
Okay, okay. So right, Adil. So this is minus 42. Remember Talha and Rizwan. This is the problematic graph that we are doing that, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so
Yes.
minus 42. So we have to take two divisions because the smallest is 2. So let's just this is what 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this part is right. So let's just stop at here. Now in this direction, we have what? Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, what? 10, 12, minus 14, minus what? 16. So this is what? 18, 20. Okay, so this is 22, right? Oh. Okay, so let's just not take this as, let's just take, because this will eat up whole our what board. So in your graph you have what a big box, right, and some small boxes, right? So let's just take one big box equals to 6. Okay, so one big box is 6, right? So what will be the number of one small box?
2.
6 by 10. So there are 10 small boxes, right? So that will be 0.6, right?
Okay.
So you have what 10 small boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and total is 6. So one will be what 6 by 10. So this will be 0.6 into a one small box, right? So we'll take 6, 12, 18. That is why this graph is problematic. So 24. So minus 6, minus 12, minus 18, minus what? 24, minus 30. 30 and minus 36, minus 42 and minus 48. And y-axis are simple. So 6, 12, minus 6, minus 12 and minus 8. Okay. So what are the points? First point is 0, 6. Tell me, Adil, where it will be. So we have to move 0 in x direction, and in y direction we have to move 6, right? So 0 in x direction, this is the 0 in x direction, and we have to move 6 in y direction. So this is the point, right?
Yes.
And what will be minus 42, 0? So in x direction we have to move how much?
42.
Minus 42, right? So this is here, minus 42. And in y direction we have to move 0. So this is here, right? So this is the point, right?
Yes.
So what will be the line? So this will be the line. Okay. Understood?
Okay.
And let us, so this is what line? This is x minus 7y is equals to minus 42, right? And what will be the other line? 0, 2. So 0, 2 is where? This is somewhere here in between these points. So let's say here, right? So this is 6, this is 0, so in between. So half is 3, so below half. So this is 0, 2, right?
Yes.
And where is 6, 0? Here, right?
Yes.
So these are the 2 points. So this will be the line, right? So this is what line? X minus 3y equals to 6. Understood?
Yes.
So these are the graphical representation of pair of linear equation in two variables. Any doubt, any question?
No.
Okay, so let's just move on to our current, what we are doing currently. So we were on what, 3.3 exercise or 4? The line is what?
3.3.
3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3.3.
First one completed.
Okay, so we did
Yes.
the first.
No,
So
First
Talha,
and the second one. You said
the first,
third
second
and
one
fourth.
was completed.
okay.
You said third
So,
and fourth homework.
so yes, so did you do the homework? Third and fourth, Talha?
Yes,
Or
sir.
you, so you did?
Yes, sir.
Nice,
Right.
nice, Captain, nice. Okay, so
Right, sir.
Adil, did you do the homework?
No.
Okay, okay, so right, because you haven't studied the previous lecture, so that's okay. So, but did you understand what we were doing in the substitution method? Did you
Yes.
understand that? Okay, so then you have you should have tried, right? And if there were problems, then I am here. Then so please try from the next time, right?
Okay.
So so I rapidly did this question. So any question, any doubt from this question? I just ran through this problem. I quickly zoomed through
Yes.
this. So any doubt from
No,
this question? Okay, so let's just, and these third and fourth you guys did, right?
yes.
So
Yes,
Adil, should I try this question? So one I will do, right? Adil, for you,
Okay.
and then I will do this. So they will, Talha and Rizwan will tell which one should I do, and then I will do this second question. So sixth will be what? Rizwan, right? It's Rizwan chance. Okay.
Which one?
Sixth one, because fifth I will do, third and fifth I will do, sixth you will do, second
Okay.
I will do, and third Talha will do. Right, Talha?
Let's see.
Okay, so for Adil, 3x minus y is 3, right? And 9x minus 3y is equals to 9. So what was the idea of substitution method? Idea was we have to find one value first. We have to find one value first. Right, Adil?
Yes.
And then put it in the second. So this was the whole idea. Equation. So first let's find one value from here. So 3x minus y is equals to 3. Right. Oh, let me see. So 3 3s are 9. 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Right. So this is solve the following equation by substitution method. Did I write it correctly? So can you see Talha and Rizwan? This is like a mini solution, right? Is
Yes, sir.
So this will have a mini solution. So we can't solve it. So we will not have a unique solution, right? So did you guys try? What was your answer? Huh?
One second, sir. I'll take my homework book.
Okay. Rizwan, do you remember?
Mm,
Because I can
Yes,
see
sir.
from here that this is a coincident line, right?
mm,
Right, na? 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 1 by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Mm.
all the coefficients ratios are equal. So this will have a mini solution.
Yeah,
right?
already. Yes, sir.
So this will not have a unique solution, right?
Mm,
So we'll
Yes,
not
sir.
solve this, right? So did you guys solve this?
I tried.
But this doesn't have a one solution, unique solution. So this is not solvable, right?
Mm,
Then what did I write? I think I was wrong.
So what did you find,
I was,
Tala?
sir, I was thinking like, what is this? I was trying to understand, but I didn't understand this. Hey,
Okay.
oh my God, what is this? I wrote 2 entire pages of this.
Okay, so you tried to solve this question.
Yes,
yes,
I'm the person.
I tried.
Okay, so that is why we did the 3.2 exercise, right? To see whether this has a unique solution or not.
Oh my God.
Mm,
Okay, so directly we'll say that this will not have a unique solution, right? So let's just do the fifth question. So not unique, right? So this question, fifth one, root 2x. So first thing is that we have to check whether this is solvable or not, right? Don't go into directly solving the questions.
yes.
Okay,
I
so
wrote
root
2 entire pages of this one.
okay, so 3y equals to 0, right? And root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0, right? So a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, right? Right, na?
Yes, sir.
So root 2 from first equation. So root 2x, we can see that this will also be 0, right? Because sum of, but let's just calculate this, right? So root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0, which means root 2x is equals to minus root 3y, right? So x is what? Root 3 minus by root 2y, right? And now we will put it in here. Okay. Okay, understood.
Okay.
So what? So, and we already know that this will have, because if you are summing, so let's just first calculate this. Okay, so root, okay, right? So what is happening? Yes. So root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0, right? So what is the value of x? So root 3 minus of root 3
minus.
by,
Yeah.
right? And
Yes, sir.
then y equals to 8y, right?
Yes, sir.
So without solving, we will not solve this question. So y and y is common, right? So we take y and these are some numbers, right? Which is equals to 0, right? Or you want me to solve this? So let's just say, so this is what? 3 root 3. So this is minus 3 by root 2 and minus root 8, right? Right now?
Yes, sir.
So root 3 is 3 and minus here, okay, and we have taken y to be common, right? Right now?
Yes.
So is this 0? Can this be 0?
Mm,
This can never be 0, right? Because these are numbers,
Right. Yeah.
right? And they are not equal. They are not equal, both have same sign, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
so this will never be 0. And in right, you said you see that there is a 0. So which means that this should be what? So if you take this to be the other side in here in the denominator, so 0 by something, 0 by this number will be what? 0, na?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So y is 0. So y is 0. So x will be what? Right.
Zero. Yes.
Because this is 0. 0 into something is 0. So x is 0. And you already knew from this part, right? Because something plus is 0, which shouldn't be the case, right?
Yes.
Mm.
So this can only be possible if x is 0 and y is 0, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is why x is 0 and y is 0 is the solution, right? Understood? Any doubt? Adil, any question?
No.
Okay. So Rizwan, please buckle up and let's just do this problem. So are you guys noting it down?
Just finished.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So noted. And by the way, just yesterday, Demon Slayer first episode was released. The Swordsmith arc, Rizwan and Tala.
So it's
Yes, sir. I watched.
Okay, so you already watched. So Tala, you see, Rizwan
am
is
I the
already.
only one who's
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So you are getting behind Tala.
Yes, sir.
I also watched and Rizwan also watched. So it was, we got to see all the what upper moons, right? Rizwan.
Yes. I already read the manga.
Yeah, so I have also read the manga.
But the animation is so nice.
Yes, so the animation. Remember this, remember the what? Infinity home or what they say?
Yeah,
Infinity
some infinity room or
house.
something.
Yes, infinity room, right. So Adil must be getting bored by our conversation. So did you guys note it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Rizwan, what should we do first? So these are fractions. So what should we do first? We should make it what?
Take LCM.
Yes, right. So we should take S because that makes it easier. Because
Yes, sir.
2 by n, this calculation gets tougher if you don't use the LCM. So we will take LC. And the second one is what? Right. So first take the LCM of this. So this will be what? 2, 3 LCM, Adil. This will be what LCM? Adil.
Yes.
So LCM of 2, 3 will be?
3.
So 2, 3. So let's just divide 2 first. So 2, this will be 3, right? Now what is remaining? 3. So we will divide 3 then. So what is remaining? 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. So this will be what?
6.
6. So 6, right? So this is how you take the LCM, right? Or you remember the prime
Yes.
factorization method, Adil and Talha and Rizwan.
Yes, sir.
So they don't have a common factor. So 2 into 3, so 6, right?
Mm.
Okay. So LCM is 6. So 2 divided by 6 is 3. So 3 3s are 9x.
9.
Right. And 3 2s are 6. 2 5s are 10.
Yes,
Right.
10.
Yes, sir.
And this is minus. And this goes here. Right, Adil? Any confusion?
No.
Okay. So 9x minus 10y is minus 12. Right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And let us do this part. So this is again 6 and 3 2s are, so 2x, 2 3s are, so 3y and 13 by 6. Right. So 6 goes here. So cancels. So this will be what?
2x plus 3y plus 13.
Right. So this looks simpler. Right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So let us calculate the value of y from here. Okay. So minus 10y. Oh, so this is Rizwan's time, no? Okay, so Rizwan, please.
Yes.
So what?
Mm,
Tell me. Minus 10y is equals to
Minus
um,
and then
minus 9.
yes, minus 9x. Right.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
minus 10 goes here. Right.
Yes, sir.
So y is minus 12 minus 9x by minus 10, right? So we can
Yes,
take
sir.
minus common and we can remove the minus. So minus common, so
Cancelling.
yes, so 9x and 10.
10.
So y will be what? 12 plus 9x by 10, right?
Yes, sir.
And now we will put this value in this equation. So this will be what?
2x
Yes, 2x,
plus 3
yes,
into 12 plus 9 x by 10.
right, is equals to 3, right? Right, Adil?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we will again take the LCM. First, we will solve this part. Okay, so 2x plus 12, 3s are what? 36 plus 27x by 10, right? Is equals to 30. Now we will take the LCM. So 10, 1 LCM is what? 10.
10,
And this is what? 20x
20x
plus 36 plus
3.
27x is 30, right?
Yes, sir.
So this will be what? 20x plus 27x. 47
27x
27.
plus 36, right? By 10.
equals 13.
So this goes here, right? So
Yes, sir.
47x plus 36 equals to, oh, I already wrote the answer.
Oh.
So yes, so 130.
130. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So 47x is equals to what?
130 minus 36.
Right. So this will be what? 4 and this is what? 12, 13, 9, right?
Yes.
Now this is simpler. Why
X
they
is
did,
equals to
they gave,
94.
yes, so why they gave this much of a number? So this is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
This 2. After doing these big numbers, we got 2.
Simple number.
Yeah. Okay. So x is 2. And Adil, what will be y? Adil? Adil, we have to just put the value of x here. So let me write the equation first. Right. So this is y. Okay. Now in place of x, we have to write just
2.
So Adil, what will be?
92.
9 into 2, right? So 10, right?
Yes.
So this will be what? 12 plus 18 by 10. So this will be what? 12 plus
30.
18, 30 and 10. So this is 3. So this is also a good number. Why? Okay.
Big mushkil. This is
So y, yes, y is 3 and x is 2. So this is the answer. Understood? Any doubt, any problem, anything?
No, sir.
no, sir.
Okay, so where were you noting down?
I'm noting, sir.
Okay.
Me too.
So Adil, what are you currently watching?
I don't watch it again.
You have stopped watching series.
I don't watch that much.
Okay, right. So what you do to in your pastime?
Play games.
Oh, play games. What kind of PUBG or what?
And now I play FIFA.
So what? COD, Call of Duty, anything? What?
Yes.
Call of Duty,
Okay.
Dota 2.
No.
Okay, not Dota, only Call of Duty. Right, so this is also a good pastime because at some point we have to have a escape, right? So when this gets boring, we have to find some escape to make our mind fresh, or so that we are not getting bored with this part, right? So it is good to have some escape. And our escape, mine, Tala, and Rizwan is what? Watching anime. When we do our study, when we complete our study, and when we get to a saturation point, so that at that point we won't be able to study further. So we escape for a little bit and then come again.
Yes, sir.
Where we stopped or whatever the saturation point was. Okay, so did you guys note it down?
Sir, I
Yeah.
think I'll have to
A
leave the
little
call. I think someone is calling me. What is this number?
So someone is calling you.
Yes, sir. I don't know what.
So
which
please
number is that?
take your call, mute the mic, take your call, and come back very soon.
Yeah. 1 second, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so Rizwan, Adil, did you note it down?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me rub this. In the meanwhile, Talha will join. So Adil, did you understand, na?
Yes.
So if you are understanding, then I will give you homework, and then there will be no excuses next time, right? Because
Okay.
because when you practice, then it will get easier, right? Because it happens always that you do some plus minus mistakes, because I also do some plus minus mistakes. So the practice makes it more likely able to do those mistakes, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so finished taking the call. Talha.
Mr. Tala left.
Talha left? Alright.
Yeah.
He said yes, yes, sir. Just now he said yes, sir.
I left just now.
Okay, so he left. I didn't tell him to leave the class. I just told him to just take the call and mute the mic. He left. Okay. So did he leave or he just got disconnected? I don't know.
Maybe disconnected.
Yes, this can happen because he just muted first, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will talk about this question again when he joins, but in the meantime, let us do that question. Okay, so second question. So this part, we have to solve 2x plus 3y and this equation, right? So let's just do this part first, right? And then we will talk about these information later. Okay. So this is simple.
Yes, sir.
Solving 2x plus 3y equals to 11, and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 20. Right. So let us solve first. So first find the value of what? Y. Right. So
Okay, I'm
Rizwan.
done.
Oh, so why did you leave?
Sir, once I accept the call,
Okay.
I just
Okay, no problem, no problem. So we just started doing this second question, right? So where were we? Yes. So first we have to find Adil. You tell me. You tell me from this equation we have to find y. So we have to move it here, right? First. So 3y will be what?
2x.
So this will be 11, right? And this goes here, so minus 2x,
Minus.
right? Na?
Yeah.
So y will be what? 11 minus 2x by 3, right? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now we will put this value here, right? So 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24, right? And we will put value here. So this will be what?
Uh, 11 minus 2x, 11 minus 2x by 3.
Right, right. So 24. Right? Any doubt, Adil?
No.
Okay, so what will be the solution? So 2x minus 4 into 11, this will be what? In
44.
bracket, 44 minus 4 to the 8x. Right, by 3. Right? We have to
Yes.
keep this bracket here because there is a minus sign. So sign will change when we take the LCM. So first we have to keep this bracket like here on, right? So that is why I keep these brackets. Okay, so this is minus 24. Now we will take the LCM. So this is 3, right? And this is 1, so this is 6x, right? Now we will break the bracket. So here, what will be here? Adil, when you break this bracket, what will come first? Minus of 44, right?
Minus
Yes.
And minus, this will be what?
plus
Plus of 8x, right?
yes.
So this is minus 20, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this goes here, 3 goes here. So 6x plus 8x is what? 14x minus 44 is minus 24 into 3 is what? 72, right?
Minus. Yes.
So what will be x? So 44 goes here, right? So what will be
Yes.
here,
Plus
Adil?
minus
Plus.
72 minus 44.
So this will be what? And this will be what? Right.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
what? 2.
2.
So x is what, Rizwan?
2.
Minus. There is a minus.
Minus,
here.
Sorry,
minus,
minus.
So that is why I asked. Okay, so x is minus 2. So what will be y? Where is y? So here is y. So Adil, please tell me what will be y? 11 minus 2 into what?
2 minus 2.
Yes, minus 2. And divided by 3. Right. So Talha, this will be what?
It is 11 4
Yes,
So
plus 4.
minus
Right.
plus 4. Yes.
So minus plus, right? By 3.
Yes.
So 15 by 3, then 5.
Right.
So x is y is 5. Right. Now first part is done. So solve
So do you want-
this and this. So we have solved. Whatever they asked, we did. Now we have to hence find the value of m for which y is mx plus 3. Right. So what did we,
Yes.
so are you guys noting it down? First, so I should,
Yes, sir.
okay, so just write it down and then I will talk about the next part. Okay, this is simple. So Tala, when are you going to watch the Demon Slayer?
I'll see, sir, if I get time.
Okay.
Then maybe I'll. Or else, I don't know. Because every single time I'm free, I'll go out and play Khalas. That's all.
You play what? Soccer?
Football, sir, not soccer.
Acha, oh, football and soccer. Okay, so in America they say soccer and in what? Europe they say football, right?
Yes. Big
Okay.
difference.
Right. So noted.
No, sir.
Okay. So Adil, you play COD mobile or COD system in desktop or
That way on PS4.
PS4? Okay, so in PS4. Right. Hmm. So there are many COD tournaments, right?
So the popular one is Modern Warfare 2. So maybe it's
Okay,
been
modern. Okay. So there are teams from countries that participate in world tournament, right?
Yes.
Just like Dota 2 and what? So there are teams like Navi and what? Navi and one was what?
Seal? I seal one.
Seal, yes, Seal and one from Pakistan. What was his name? Evil Geniuses. EG, right?
Yes.
Okay, so completed.
Wait, sir, just writing the Y because never mind. Okay, sir. Done.
Okay. So we only need this part. Right. We have found the value of
Yes, sir.
X and Y. Right.
Mhm.
So they are asking to find what M.
Yes.
So this is easy, na? We just
Yes,
keep the
sir.
value of Y and X and then find the value of M, right?
Yes.
So they are telling that we have to find the value of M for which Y is MX plus 3. So Y is MX plus 3, right? And what
Yes, sir.
values we have already found? So we have
5.
found and X, right?
Yeah. 5
So
and
we,
minus 2.
yes, so we just put this value in here. So
Yes.
5 is equals to M,
Minus 2m.
yes, minus 2 plus 3, right? Right, Adil?
Yes.
So this will be what? 5, and this will be what? Minus 2m plus 3, right?
Yeah.
So,
Uh,
so this
yes.
comes, yes, so this comes here, right?
Mm,
Yes,
Yes.
So
sir.
5 minus 3, which is minus 2m,
Equals minus 2m.
right? So this
Minus
is
2. Yeah.
2 and this is minus 2,
Minus 1.
right? So this cancels. So this is what? 1 equals to minus m. So this comes here. So m equals to minus 1. Right. So this was simple, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now I
Yes.
will do this problem and for 3 persons. So 1, 2, 3. This will be your homework, right?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sir, calm.
Right. So
Yes.
I've also prepared some practice questions for you, right? So your school is closed, and when they will open your school, then they will start your sessional examination, right?
Yeah, PT1.
PT1. So we have to be prepared for that, right?
Yes.
So I will take some practice questions. I will give you some practice question, and please practice those questions, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
did you guys open your account?
Sir.
Not yet, because in
No,
the,
yes, yes.
and did you see those practice questions? CBSE
Yeah.
PYQs. Did you see that?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so
Yes.
little bit. So
Sir, there is a problem in my account. So, like, problem thingy.
problem what?
Say something. Um, you do not you do not have access something.
So you
Oh,
don't
really?
have the
Email
access.
not
That's fine.
updated or something.
Yeah,
Okay,
even for me also.
Yeah.
so for you
Sometime when I
also.
just
So okay,
click here
so
to update recovery, you don't have any such clear.
Recovery. Yeah.
okay, so I will talk to the operations team and I will sort it out for you guys. Right, I will tell those guys that that you guys having problems in accessing your accounts, right? So I will.
It
Can
says your
you?
recovery email is not updated.
So are you seeing my notebook, or you are seeing my what window? What are you guys seeing right now? So let me. Okay, so I will do one question and then I will talk about that. Okay, so let me do a one question, then I will talk about that. And in the meanwhile, when I finish this class, then I will talk to the operations team, and they will sort it out for you, your account, right?
Yes.
Because for
I
your
gave
exams,
complaint.
huh?
Yeah.
So you
I
have
already gave.
so you already
Yeah.
complained. Right, right. So I will talk about that.
I
Right.
guess.
And let you guys know what they are telling, right? So so you guys noted it down, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
let
sir.
let me rub this. And Adil, did you access your account? So did you find any problem accessing your account? Adil,
Yes.
so did you look into your account?
No.
Okay, so there are some practice question in there. But let me do first these questions. So I will do the first one, and these three you will guys guide me to solve, and then I will give homework. How much time do I have? So 5 minutes or so. So let's just do this first question. So the difference between two number is 26. So as I have already told you, what do I ask in the word problem? What do I always ask?
Yes, two unknowns.
Yes, 2, 1. So this is very important. So 2 unknowns. So what are the two unknowns here? Right.
2.
So let's say one number is x, the other is y,
Y.
right? So
Yes.
let us ponder about this information. So the difference between the number, right? So the difference, so this is the one number, this is the second number. So first information, right? What is that? Difference. So what are the number? X and Y, and difference will be what?
Is 26.
Yes, so so we have to write the equation. So X difference, right? So this is the
Yeah.
information, right? The
Yes.
difference
Yes.
is 26. I understood, Adil.
Yes.
Now, Rizwan, tell me what will be the second information that is given. One number. So one number
Is 3
is,
times.
yes, so
3.
is meaning is, and what will be here?
3 times the
3.
other 3x.
3 into what?
3x.
Y.
Y, right? So this is the other number, right? So this
Mm.
is the first number is 3 times the other number, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, no? So now we
Yes.
can, we have found the two equations. Now we will solve. So this is the first and this is the second, right?
Yes, sir.
So what will be your x here? So we can calculate any variable, right? We can calculate x or y. So let's just calculate x from here. So x will be what? 26 plus y, right?
Yes. That's right. Yes.
Now, Adil, tell me, what will be this equation? Adil,
26 plus 4.
yes, to 26 plus y is equals to 3y, right?
Yes.
So now what will be here? 26 plus y is 3y. So this goes here, right? So this will be what?
26.
3 1 minus 1.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
So this is what? 2y. So y is what? 13. Right.
Yes.
And what will be x?
X will be 3. 26. 30.
Right. So these are the two numbers, right? We can see that
Yes.
one is 3 times. So 39. So 13 into 3 is 39, right? So this is 3
Yeah.
times this number, right?
Yeah.
So this was a simple question, right?
Yes, sir.
Very simple.
Okay, so so this one is good question, right? So they have given two supplementary, right? So we have to first know about supplementary angle. Okay, so did you guys note it down, this first question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Noted, Adil, Talha?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So Rizwan, what are supplementary angles? Do you remember? So let me give you a hint. So there are two numbers, complementary and supplementary. So does this ring the bell?
Yeah.
Sir, one
Yes.
180 degree.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Yes.
I was going to
So
say that.
yes. So yes.
I was
Yes.
about to say
So
90
right.
degrees.
Right.
180
Right.
angle.
Yes, so supplementary are two angles are supplementary whose sum are
180.
sum is 180. So supplementary. Remember Adil? And
Yes.
sum is 90 is what? Complement. Right? Okay. So this was the information that we needed. Okay. Now 3.2. So first question, two unknowns. What are the unknowns? What are the unknowns here? Adil,
So
Talha, Rizwan?
2 supplement.
Hmm?
Small.
Supplementary angle.
So supplementary is the information. Angles, right? Angles,
Angles.
right? So two unknowns are angles, right? So
Yes,
let's say one angle is what? X. So the other angle is what?
Y.
Y, right?
Mm.
And now we know first information. First information is that the sum of two angles is what? Sum of, they are supplementary, right? X and Y are
Yes.
Yes,
supplementary. So
180.
sum is right. So,
180.
right,
One-
na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So angles, so two supplementary angles. So this is the second information. Exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees.
18 degrees.
Right. So what will be
Yes.
the difference between them?
18.
So
X minus 5.
right.
Yes, sir.
So this is the second information. Or you could have written like this. So first one will be y plus 18. You could have written like this, right? So exceeds the other end. Right. So when you put this here, so this will be what? Or when you put this here, so this will be what? Minus 1. Right. You
Yes,
can
sir.
retain in any way like you want it. Right. So this was the second information. Right.
Yes, sir.
So let's just calculate from here what will be x. Right.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
now we will put this here. So 118 minus y is 18. Right.
Yes, sir.
So 118 minus 2y is 18. So this goes here. So this is what? Minus of 2y is 18 minus 180. Right.
Yes.
So this will be what?
99.
99?
Oh, sorry. 162. I was doing like that. I
Yes.
was going before.
So 10 at 2, what? 716, right? So 162, right?
Yes, sir.
So, and
Sorry.
minus. No, it's okay. So minus cancels. Y is what? 8 and 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So y is 81. So what will be x?
180 minus 8.
So this is 9 and this is what?
99.
17. Yes,
Yeah,
17, 19. So this is 19, right?
Yes, sir.
And when you take the sum, 91 plus 99 plus 81 is what? 9, 1, 10, 9, 8, 17, 18. So supplementary, right? Right, na?
Yeah.
So any queries, any question? as I
No.
am short of time. So second, third, fourth is your homework. Okay. So if you guys just try those questions, and if you face any problem, then I'm always here to help, right? So if you find any
Looking at the
problem, then I will solve this, right?
Okay, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
if you try this, then you will have some idea to how to approach this problem. So if you know the approach, then I'm not needed, right?
Hmm.
So my job is done. If you can understand the problem, then that makes a very good progress, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I have already taken you 5 minute time. Sorry about that.
No,
And
no,
we,
sir.
No
so
problem, sir.
so we will meet what on
Sunday.
Sunday,
Yes.
right? So you have 3 days, right? 3 days, three
Yes, sir.
question. One day for
Three-
one question,
I
right?
will do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So Adil Rizwan Tala, please try. So what was third?
Third
So
and
this
fourth.
third for 2, I said 3, right?
Okay.
Okay, so 2. Okay, so two questions, right?
Hmm.
3 days, 2
Okay.
questions, right?
Yes.
Okay, so bye everyone. Good night.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye,